In Vancouver, Indeed and LinkedIn are the two, I would say, like largest and most utilized job boards. And
For
one of
sure.
the things we heavily utilize on Indeed is you can create these like screener questions. And I generally, on most of our jobs, put 3 screener questions. Why did you apply for this job? And something specific to the position. One of our clients, he made me laugh the other day, where they're a construction company and they literally put in which of these 6 tools doesn't exist. And one of the tools is a left-handed screwdriver, because they're like, for a carpenter, they're like, if you haven't been asked to go get a left-handed screwdriver before, then like you're not at the level, because like that's like a total like kind of hazy thing that goes when you start getting
Right.
on sites. And then the other one is, tell me something that's not listed on your resume.
Resume. Yeah.
And the people who respond by saying like, I'm hardworking and enthusiastic and I'm an eager learner and stuff, like, I again, like, that's something anyone can say. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to know that you love sushi and have 2 dogs, like, and
Totally.
that way I know when I ask you questions, we're just going to have a chat, as opposed to I'm going to ask you like, tell me about your last position, and you're going to say, oh, I was, and you've got this scripted like response that you think someone wants to hear. Like, we just like, I think it's it. Like, we just want that authenticity. Like, tell us, sure, tell us about your job, tell us about this stuff, but then like, you were unique in it. 100 people could have done that job. What was unique about you in it, other than the fact that you're unique? Like, give us that, like, the real deal, who you are and what happened, and how things were interesting or unique for you. Like, and just you as a person, that authentic piece.
Yeah, even when it comes to, putting together a resume, I was having this conversation with a friend recently. Don't list the job responsibilities. Like, if somebody is in recruitment, they know what the job responsibilities are. They posted the job that they're hiring for. They don't need that information. They need what made you unique in it, what made you stand out and perform really well in it, right? So it's fascinating how, those pieces of information that seem obvious to us as a recruiter are lost for the majority of people that are job seekers. They don't sort of recognize that, but it's because that's the language that we speak every day. It's our world, right? So yeah, how do we share that information, get it out there? Because ultimately that makes our job easier when people know what we're looking for, what we want to hear, the information that we want to see. Then it gets us closer to our end point faster. But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, I think it really does come down to getting the right people, on the bus. Then you've got this beautiful team of humans that can work together and getting everybody, up to speed, on the same page. That's where the magic happens, and that's where the employee engagement happens. So I see that, yes, it's the employer's responsibility to create an exciting, fun workplace to be, but there's something that every single person on the team holds in terms of a level of responsibility to
Right.
create that, right? It's not all on the employer.